Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back with another video. I haven't posted in quite a while, but I'm sorry for that. But I do want to tell y'all I'm back to stay, and I'm going harder than ever. But I did pick up some new parts for the G-Body LS Swap second time around. First time around, I built the grudge car. You know, it's my 1984 Chevy El Camino. The yellow one is pretty popular. That's a grudge car. This ain't no grudge car. This everyday driver. So I do plan on documenting this one a little bit better. Plus this car is very, very rare that I'm LS swapping. So for all you Cutlass guys and G-Body guys, stick around. Well, I'm gonna open this up and I'll turn y'all back on. Well, first impressions on the Corvette, or not Corvette, but a GM muscle car oil pan. It's very, very complete. I did get this from my guy, Corvette Craig. Don't want to show his address there, but Corvette Craig, my guy sent it to me out of California. We have a really, really close dealing relationship, I guess you'd say, with me getting parts on the low and him shipping them to me. So I did get this on the low. This is not used. It's never been used. I guess you could say it was sold as used, but pickup tube, brand new, oil pan, brand new, windage tray, brand new, dipstick, brand new, and it comes with bolts as well, hardware, I guess you'd call it. So this, but you know, this is my first impressions on it. I think it's a really, really good pan. I hope it gives more clearance than the truck pan. I might have to compare that later on with some pictures in the video, but it does look like it gives you a little bit more clearance. And I'm thinking about putting this on my El Camino, my grudge car, so might be putting this pan on there. But this pan is going on the Cutlass, so I will hit you guys back with another video probably later on this week sometime. So like, comment, subscribe. I do videos like this all the time, so y'all know what it is. Freeze RC out.